Hello, 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 everyone. It's me, it's your girl, Sia Knight. I'm the Mobile Notary Mentor, and I am here to bring you a video that people have been asking me to share. And it's about my earnings. So it's a second earnings report from my job as a remote online notary on the Notarize platform. So I shared my earnings as I had begun my journey there. I think I started like November 11th or somewhere around there, and I talked about how much I had earned. And so at that point, I was at the gold, and later I made it to the silver level, which meant that I could notarize kind of business transactions, businesses kind of partner with Notarize. And then they say, hey, we're going to send customers to you all to notarize these documents. So that's what I had kind of coming to me. And so Notarize had been feeding me customers, and it was like $5 a pop. So, but you could it only takes about 5, maybe 10 minutes at the most to do a notarization, so you could kinda get up to, a nice number per hour in terms of your earnings. But, da, 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 since then, I have been approved for the gold level, which means that I now do some real estate transactions, and that has been pretty much a game changer, and I'm going to share my earnings since then. So let me go ahead and do what I call a screen share. So as you see, I've taken a screenshot of my earnings. So I will let you know that I started, if you take a look, January 21st, 22nd. Okay, not bad, not bad. I do this very part-time. I don't sit on the computer all day. So I was making some, nice change. Good, not bad to wake up to these deposits in your account. But it was around this time, if you take a look, boom, around February 4th. I think that might have been the actual day that I first got started, and you'll see that the daily earnings, and all of these are daily earnings, have jumped up. I might get on the computer for like 20, 30 minutes. So that's what you'll see here. But as you see, in all, the daily earnings have jumped up a bunch because I now do the real estate transactions. And the real estate transactions, since I've been doing those, I think I've been averaging about $40 to $50 an hour. So that's not bad at all. Now, I will say that as you can see, I've been taking some days off in between. I've just had some things going on. And so this isn't on a daily basis, but as you can imagine, if I were doing this on a daily basis, it would definitely add up, and it has been adding up. So, and I very much appreciate that. So, people have been asking me to give another earnings report in terms of kind of, hey, how are things going now? And I'm happy to say that based on my experience with Notarize, I would highly recommend it. Now, also, I recommend that you know what you're doing when you are on the platform. And I also recommend that you kind of you take it very seriously, because what you don't want to do is to do anything, do a sloppy job, do a bad job, and put your commission at risk. Because if I have no commission, all of these earnings are zero. So I just wanted to kind of give that type of warning as well. So that's it. This is a quick video. I just wanted to share with you all kind of how things are going. And that's it. Oh, another thing that I need you to know is that on February 27th, I'm having another new notary workshop. We had a blast at the first new notary workshop. It's really designed for notaries, 0 to 12 months in, they've gotten their commission, they don't know exactly what they want to do, they don't know what to specialize in. So we get in there, we talk about it. I do some real-time coaching there, and it's really for notaries to it's designed to help you get general notary work. So it's not in the world or the realm of the loan signings. There's plenty of information out there for that. There's wonderful trainings and people who have done videos, etc. My lane, my jam is general notary work. But now look at me. Now I'm doing loan signings, but only as a remote online notary because I can't get down with all the paper and all the running around. I'm done with that. So, all right. So, folks, thank you so much for joining. And until next time, happy signing and have a great day. Bye.